Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cornbread in a pan. To begin, gather all your essential ingredients, ensuring you have both dry and wet components ready. You will need about 1½ cups of cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Also, prepare 1 cup of milk, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of melted butter or oil. Don't forget your baking powder and salt. Once your ingredients are ready, it's time to mix the batter for that perfect texture. First, in a large bowl, thoroughly whisk together all your dry ingredients, making sure they are well combined. In a separate bowl, gently combine your wet ingredients until they are fully blended. Now, carefully pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Mix just until everything is moistened. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough cornbread. With your batter perfectly mixed, it's time to get it into the oven. Make sure your 9-inch cast iron skillet or baking pan is already hot and lightly greased. Carefully pour the cornbread batter into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly. Bake your cornbread in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know it's done when a wooden toothpick inserted into the center comes out completely clean. After baking, your golden brown cornbread is almost ready to enjoy. Let it cool in the pan for at least 10 minutes before attempting to slice it. This helps it set and prevents crumbling. Serve your warm, tender cornbread with a generous pat of butter, a drizzle of honey, or alongside your favorite chili or stew. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days, maintaining its delicious flavor.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.